Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have RFC in the building.
In the building. Damn right.
We also have some broccoli, some mashed potatoes with Richie's famous gravy, and then my hubby made me some plantains because he know I love plantains.
That's right.
Anywhere they can make a guest appearance, they shall.
That's right. Plantain go is anything. That's what we say.
But before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I love it. You will like it. I'm not even gonna say it. All right.
Tell me, hungry now.
Go on. Make first lady take the taste test first. Family, this RFC right here, something different.
It's a different recipe?
Same recipe, but I just put my different touch in it. Don't you see it look different? Y'all see it look different, family? Well, I'm gonna make y'all see it. Take a bite. Let me hear the crunch test. Shh. Come closer. Come closer. Listen.
They close?
Yeah, they close now. Oh, God, don't do that. Don't do that. Show them the leg. Show how the leg goes.
Make you want to smack the person who made it.
Slap it by your ass. Show them the thing.
No, because then they're going to take a bite.
But no, you could enjoy your thing. I'm going to give them a piece of mine because you know I love the breasts. And you know?
Listen, I'm going to show you guys. Don't bite my chicken.
Do
bite
not bite their chicken off. Okay?
Right.
So you know first, like, look at this. Take it out. Get on the tutorial. RFC in the building. Oh, it's all dropping. You hear the crunch? Crunch. Okay, let me first give y'all a taste of the mash. Take some. Got my special gravy. You're welcome. Okay. Wow. I don't know where to start. Take a broccoli. Here. Dip some of my sauce. Right here. I don't know where you find me.
In the Bronx?
I mean, one thing, I could help myself in the kitchen. Look at this now.
Wow.
This is the breast. You know I love breasts. If you've been rocking with us for
Two.
a bit. Two breasts. Look at this. First lady breast come first though. Look right here. Look at that. There. Well, I'm getting my straight first lady. There.
Go ahead and drop it.
I'm not gonna drop it. Don't bite my hand. All right, listen now. Shh.
So, you've perfected it now, huh?
Master.
You've mastered it, huh?
Nice. Family, nice.
When I made all this broccoli,
Nice.
there was more, but the kids had some. Richie said, where you going with all that broccoli?
Yeah.
So I'm going to eat it.
Oh.
Shh. Honey,
MSR.
what is that?
Family, look what I got. Jamaican cola syrup. I just mixed some up. Looks good, huh? Cola champagne.
But why you got to bring the whole jug?
Guys, I'm putting it to the head ghetto style. That's how we keep it simple. What I always say?
I promise you.
What we said? Cheap and clean.
Sugar, I promise you I did not see that until you start pouring it.
You didn't see it?
No.
Oh, shit. You have a problem with that? Me see it though.
Because I'm used to your Minute Maid and whatever your...
I see it though. I had to get a cola champagne today with this meal. Family, so what's good with y'all? Before I start getting in, because listen, I need to know what's good with y'all before
I'm just trying a little bit.
I start going crazy. You know, once I go crazy, it's over. Yes, yes, that chicken look good. I know. Stop saying that. I know it does. I know it does.
Can't bother.
Off the chicken subject now. How y'all been doing, huh? Good? What's that?
Honey, Vincent said, Mommy, where you going with that 2 times spicy sauce? I said, I'll put it on my chicken. He said, no. Every time you put in your chicken,
Belly start hurt.
it hurts my belly. But it tastes so good.
Good.
I'm not gonna eat no more though.
Don't put no more.
Sorry. I want to taste.
Papa ain't got nothing on this. RKFC. RFC in the building for life.
You made this in the air fryer?
Air fryer can't make a good chicken here. That's what you make my store.
I've been seeing some good chicken come out of the air fryer. I'm like,
I'm gonna try it.
damn.
We gotta learn that. We gotta Google that first.
Let me get some wings.
Yeah, get some wings. Look at the breast. Look how soft it is. See that smoke? First lady. Put your hand on there one more time, first lady.
My gosh, I'm the my food in the mind.
Look at that breast. Look at that breast. Soft. It's because the breast person that makes you taste it the way the meat is like the season is inside the meat.
Imagine. How does that work?
First lady. So she want RC.
Okay, honey. Can you please make some fried chicken?
And first lady, whatever you want, you shall have.
Especially if it's food.
Into my cola.
So how that taste?
Try. I said try. Every time I say try, I say like you want done it.
That's not bad.
Yeah. Tastes good, right?
Where you got it from?
Bravo.
Ooh.
If you got Bravo in your area, Walmart, go check out the Jamaican syrup. They got strawberry, cola champagne. They got a lot of flavors. All you do is just add water and the syrup, and you're good to go. So Walmart sell it too in the Jamaican section, in the what do you call that section? What do you call that section there?
International.
International section. Tastes good, huh? Damn, I was in my deep sleep. First day they dropped me and said, yo.
Were you pissed off?
I was hungry. I don't remember any food that I'm pissed off for. I had to go, find the
I think I'm
bird.
like, man,
I had to go find the bird because we had no bird.
I know. That's what I mean.
No?
I'm like, come on.
I slept a good time. I got up, I said, okay, let me go get it.
Yeah, make sure you have my food ready if you get it beaten.
Gotta have first lady food working.
I was gonna make asparagus, but I feel like eating broccoli.
Damn. Our chicken is on point. I like that.
Yes.
I like what you're talking. Oh, the bone. Stop it. Fresh. Your mind is fresh.
You know, so my bond fresh.
Your mind is fresh.
My body from my bond. And that's why me a go on so.
I first gave me baby food today. Mashed potato. Then that ain't got two left hand.
Hey man.
It does my thing in the kitchen, son. My friend shot me on WhatsApp today. And I was showing a little video because sometimes I put my video on WhatsApp. You know what I'm saying? Show what I'm making to put on the channel. He said, you know you ain't fried that chicken. You know first day they did it. First day season up and make you fry it. I heard no hear him.
I was at work.
Yeah, I know family. I already show you. when I get down. He said, yo, you couldn't make that chicken. I said, I did. So I'm like, oh no. First day they season everything for you and left it for you when you cook it. Well, why didn't I put myself in the camera? I ain't gonna put myself in the camera. You know what I'm saying?
But you know I make fried chicken. My fried chicken is nowhere near Richie's fried chicken.
They know. They know I could make. They know I could get down in the kitchen, man.
And them because they can't get none. When I came home, the house smelled of deliciousness. And when he opened that oven,
You want to jump in that water too?
I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
He said, honey, taste just a little piece of the skin. I said, no, I don't want to taste nothing. I want to just take a shower, do my outfit of the day, and go straight to eating. Because I want to be the first to taste it.
Wow.
He said, just taste one little piece. There's a little piece that I bit off, like a piece of skin he gave me. Man.
You want to go in the oven?
Yeah. I mean to tell you that.
Nice one. Well, my special gravy. My special gravy be ham.
With all the
I mean,
all the onions and stuff.
RFC.
Yeah. Keep on looking at me. It is good.
I could have fried chicken, but not that good before. I'm good. Chicken is not easy to fry.
It's not.
You gotta know. It's a hard thing to fry.
It's not.
You gotta know the right temperature. How to check it, everything. It's not before, but now.
Especially if you get it crunchy.
Alright. To get it crunchy. You gotta know. But now, I perfect it. I can't go wrong. I fried my eyes closed.
What did you say?
I fried chicken with my eyes closed.
Oh.
I'm perfect. I made I'm perfect. When you say perfect?
What?
I perfected.
I'm gonna have fun with that when I'm editing.
You know you're fuck. So the champagne drink good enough?
I see. This is the
Damn, you going hard over there.
back of the chicken. Excuse me.
Excuse you.
Excuse me.
You going hard over there, B?
I'm hungry.
You was hungry today, huh? I gave you already.
No,
I gave you already.
don't ask me.
First, you didn't give me none. Tom. I don't know. How was everything? First, you fried chicken good too. I know how I learned. I just do it. I try and do my stuff.
That is true.
What you know what I mean? I'll switch up a recipe. I'll keep trying.
But every time you try, you got better and better and better.
Yeah. You know how I get down. What? 6:30 when I go basketball?
You always have an alarm.
Wow. Will it work the week? Okay.
I couldn't wait to leave work today. And then I had to stay a little bit later because somebody came late.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
So I'm like,
No, I'm not giving you none of my juice.
It doesn't taste it, honey.
No, they ain't gonna like it.
Oh.
They ain't gonna like it. They got it, you know what I mean? But it's good. That's the back of it. Wow.
No matter time I close my eyes in this video.
Come back, you want to sleep. You should
That
be
too.
food nice. Yeah, part of food today. She see probably she parting of food today. She go hard on me. Go hard. You part your food now? I like that.
You know, according to Dr. Sabi, broccoli is not a natural grown vegetable. It's man-made. Yep.
Broccoli grown.
Broccoli and cauliflower.
Whatever it's from man-made or woman-made, it tastes good.
It doesn't have any nutritional value to it.
The brush on chicken and come. Grace. I'm not even gonna say it.
Grace, you didn't win the race.
You didn't win the race, yes?
You didn't win the race. You didn't win the race. That's a twin twister. That's a tongue twister. Grace. Let me see if I can say it 3 times fast. Grace, you didn't win the race. You see?
My your tongue.
Grace, you didn't win the race. Grace, you didn't win the race. Yep. Tongue
Timing.
twister.
This is the skin. Listen. Nothing better than this right here. I ain't capping. One day, there are special people who taste it. Don't worry.
I'm so glad I'm off tomorrow.
Good. Good job.
Chillax. No, you can't chillax. You're gonna be on the road doing stuff. I'm getting full now.
Huh? I'll put on a piece of chicken for later. Wow. I'm not tasting the aroma.
This is your first meal of the day too, honey?
Yep. First meal of the day. When you call me, just sleep. You know what? Let me just get up and go do it. Knock it out. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the kitchen. Chefing it up, son. Oh!
Oh.
You didn't tell me. It's about that time.
Oh my God.
So delicious, huh? Family, first lady. I know every one of y'all that's watching right now is this right here. Alright? So I'm gonna let it go. A champion is someone who gets up when he can't.
Ooh.
You heard me? That's all of y'all right there. A champion is someone who gets up when he can.
Very true.
So when you fall, don't stay there. You could lose the race, but as long as you finish it. You know what I'm saying? Don't ever. So with being said, continue doing what you're doing and never stop. You know what I'm saying? Where's the birthday? Good.
I agree.
I'm a champion. I love him. Now stop. And with being said, to be a champion, you have to have a good trainer. Got your first lady. You like that one? Free you. Stop it. We on camera. We on camera. Don't do that. We on camera now. You full?
You ever been full? Where you still eat? But I can't because I don't like that feeling. You know, you eat too much and you just feel like if anybody goes like this, boop,
Bust it ready.
And Pillsbury says it best.
you bust. Can't do that.
Right now,
A chicken.
right now, I'm gonna call my friend and tell him to come here for 2 pieces. You know?
What happened now?
Call my friend and come here for 2 pieces of chicken.
What friend? What friend?
Reggie. Never come to 2 pieces of chicken.
Then your brother's gonna tell the other brethren and gonna get around.
Get around,
And
yeah.
then woman gonna wanna start getting fried chicken. You're mad?
I'm gonna get my fried chicken. My fried chicken can't share. Only people I'm checking my fried chicken with the family. That's it. You know what I'm saying?
Oh gosh, I cannot. You outdid yourself today.
I've been through mad napkins today, so you ain't been telling me you want more napkin?
You outdid yourself.
Yeah.
How?
Always. See? Before, remember that quote I just said before? I couldn't fry fried chicken good. I was good at it, but I wasn't that good. Now, I kept going and going. Look at now.
Just like fried dumpling.
Dumpling. Yeah, I could have never fried fried dumpling good.
Man, Richie, fried dumpling
I don't like
is the best I've ever had.
Yeah, I don't like fried dumpling. Now, I could have fried it, but I never liked it. I just did it. I said, okay.
Sometimes, like say, because
everybody like it too.
My kids, we like porridge or fried dumpling.
Yeah.
Well, I prefer crackers and fried dumpling.
Yeah.
No, I prefer porridge with crackers, right? And then fried dumpling. Sometimes I ask Richie to knead the flour the night before, like on a Friday. So Saturday morning, I can wake up and make some porridge and fry the dumpling. And you see the next morning when I fry the dumpling, it tastes like he just made it.
Yep. I don't know.
I don't know how he does it.
We share with y'all.
Wait, honey, I'm still talking.
You see here?
I'm still talking a little bit. Hold on.
You see your food? You say it's food time to go now?
I'm different. Go ahead.
We share with y'all. You talk to us. You watch the show. So don't now. This is the time now. This is the time. If you're watching, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Share. No? Share us. Don't share First Day alone. Share us. Okay? Gotta watch out. But anyway, we appreciate y'all always. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all good comments and stuff like that.
Oh, so, yes.
At this point, we are the greedy couple. And they are First Lady?
You guys are the greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.
Bye.